All right, we made it over here to Mercertown. It's hot over here in Louisville. Well, I went and picked up mail. I haven't picked up mail in a while. All right, real quick, we loaded steel coils today. We got 42,000 pounds. We centered it right here on this black line. We got 2 coils in the front, 2 coils in the back. Worked out perfect. Got 33,000 on the drives, and I think we got 34 back here, so we're good. It looks good though. Haven't tarped in a while. Took me a little longer than expected to tarp, but we're on our way down to Louisville, and then we're gonna stop in Louisville real quick, and then all right, we made it over here to Mercertown. It's hot over here in Louisville. Well, I went and picked up mail. I haven't picked up mail in a while. Let's see what we got. So I got a nice letter from Corey out of New Orleans. Sent me a gift card. He said, I got you a little gift card. Buy some food, blow it on some chrome, or whatever you need. But that's pretty cool. Maybe we'll get some chrome. Corey, out of New Orleans, thank you very much. Appreciate it. All right, let's move on. All right, so we got a battery charger and 2 batteries. I'm wondering if they belong to this right here. Oh, okay. So that must be the light for the batteries for this light. But I don't have anything from who it's from. So if you sent me a DeWalt LED light, which would come in very handy, I appreciate it. Let me open it up real quick here. Let's see what this one is. This is from Amazon. So, alright, let's see here. Oh, this might be from the same person. A heat gun. A DeWalt heat gun. So, if you sent me DeWalt tools and some batteries and a charger, I appreciate it. I'm sorry I don't know who it came from or where it came from, but thank you very much. All right, good afternoon.
Turn left onto the I-55 ramp.
It's Sunday afternoon. We left Louisville this morning. We're over here in Haiti, Arkansas. No, Missouri. We're getting ready to run down to Arkansas. We got to deliver in Sheridan, Arkansas. There's nowhere to stay down there. It's kind of off the path. So we're gonna go to JJ's truck stop, which is just south of Little Rock on I-30. We're gonna go to Scenic Way. We're gonna take 412, cut it over, pick up 67, and run it down to Little Rock. What that does, that keeps us off 55, keeps us away from Memphis, and it keeps us away from the traffic on I-40 between Memphis and Little Rock. And it's Sunday. It's a pretty drive, so we'll go through this way. I think my phone has lost GPS signal.
GPS signal lost.
Okay. Well, we had a good weekend. I honestly did not do much of nothing yesterday. I did some laundry, and I went to Walmart. I did wash the little white truck while I was at Mercer. And I tore up my sleeper trying to find the water leak.
In 600 feet, merge onto US 412 West.
I'm about 98% sure I found the leak.
Continue on US 412 West for 16 miles.
And unfortunately, it's the water tank. The water storage tank. I think has a little leak in it. So I've already been online. I found a new tank. I'm going to order it tonight. We are on our way home. Maybe it'll get there by the time we're home. But I've been chasing that little leak for a while. And Friday, I pulled up everything. I pulled up the bed and everything out of the sleeper. See if I can find it. Alright, we got 240 miles down to JJ's truck stop. About 4 hours or so. Alright, I know it's loud out here, but it's also hot. And I had lead air conditioner on for Bailey. But we're at JJ's truck stop. We made it yesterday. We got about 45 minutes down to go deliver our coils. I'll walk by real quick. Generator's holding up. This is the leak I was talking about. So this stuff here, it's leaking out of the water tank right there. I've already ordered a new water tank. I ordered that this morning. So hopefully that'll make it home. Here's our coils. Got about 42,000 pounds of coils on the Dorsey trailer. It is hot. I ain't got to tell you guys that. I think it's hot everywhere. Let's get going.